In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Hot Topic gift card balance. Let's begin this simple yet essential process by opening your preferred web browser. Whether you use Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser, the choice is yours. This step is crucial because it sets the stage for everything that follows. Next, type Hot Topic into the search bar and hit Enter. You might see a list of search results appear. Take a moment to scan through these results and find the official Hot Topic website. It's important to choose the right link to ensure you navigate to the legitimate site. This prevents any confusion or security risks. Once you have located the correct link, go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the Hot Topic homepage. Take a moment to let the page load fully. It's important to ensure that you're on the official site to protect your personal information. Now scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. You'll find the footer section there. This area is vital because it holds links to important sections of the website, including the one we need for checking your gift card balance. In the footer, look for the link labeled Gift Cards and click on it. This will direct you to the gift card section of the website. By following this step, you're getting closer to discovering your remaining balance. With that ready, you will see a prompt to enter your gift card details. Carefully type in your unique gift number. This number is usually found on the back of your card. Along with the gift number, you will need to enter the corresponding PIN. Make sure to enter this information accurately to avoid any errors. After entering your gift card number and PIN, the next step is to click the Submit button. This action will process your request and reveal your current remaining funds. You will see the balance displayed on your screen. This gives you a clear idea of how much you have left to spend at Hot Topic. Remember, checking your gift card balance is a good habit before making any purchase. It ensures you have enough funds to cover the items you want. This simple check can save you the hassle of unexpected surprises at checkout. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your Hot Topic gift card balance. This process is straightforward and quick, providing you with peace of mind when planning your shopping spree. Thank you for joining me today, and happy shopping at Hot Topic.